On Mama Soul Kitchen, we have succulent tri-tip roast. All right, you guys, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our succulent tri-tip roast, everybody. We went on and had a wonderful time of doing this in the crock pot. We have onions, garlic, and Worcestershire sauce, and steak sauce, and of course, Mama Soul seasonings. We gotta bam it up. Ain't no salt and pepper around here, but after we let it cook for like 3 to 4 hours, look at this. We can just shred it with a knife. It's so tender. Ooh, that looks so delicious. It actually is. And sometimes people can't digest, beef like how they used to and stuff like this, but I'm going to tell you, this is the way to make it nice and soft and tender, and it's just so delicious and flavors just going all throughout of your crock pot. Look at this, and an easy cleanup on top of that. Look at that, after we shred it all up. Look at this. Wow, that is so easy. Exactly, and let the crock pot do the work for you. All that roasting in the oven, forget that. Put it in the crock pot. Bring out your crock pots, everybody. But look at this. Look at the flavors that's going throughout that. We made a gravy with the juices that was inside of the crock pot before we shredded it. And look at that. Look at the mashed potatoes and green beans and go with it. All these recipes are on our YouTube channel. You can see Grandma smacking green beans and how you do garlic mashed potatoes and this tri-tip. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Follow us on YouTube for more and order our cookbook on the Amazon. Mama Soul Kitchen.